Our two-channel DAQ device, Plug.n.DAQ Lite, is since over 20 years in the market. It is a universal DAQ, so that means it works with any operating system. So even with Windows 95, for example, or any Linux distribution. In the past, it was very difficult to get such external USB audio device connected with a smartphone. So you need a special OTC connector, and there was necessary to make special adjustments in sub folders of the mobile phone operating system. Meanwhile, it is very simple. So you just connect with via the USB-C connector, the Plug.n.DAQ Lite, to the PC, and it gets automatically recognized. So I found a very interesting software or app for vibration criteria measurements. But as first, I like to show you here the FFT. So it's maybe a kind of freeware, so that that it's working. I have here a very sensitive accelerometer, so it has sensitivity of 10 volt per G and very low inherent noise. So means if I knock here, so that is already sensed. So this is now here 1 point, and now I leave this software and then I go to this software for vibration criteria. So this is kind of a rating tool for engineers to determine before they install, for example, a big microscope into the building with high magnification and so on, or MRT. It must be first determined and measured if the building is, let's say, silent enough, or it must have very low vibrations. So now I just start here this app. So now he collecting data. So for low frequency vibrations, the measurement time is always very long. So and now measurement is done. So it's possible to export this to a CSV file and store it with analyze it with Excel. So now I will make again a measurement and make here some kind of knocking. So I should, so now it's already finished. And now we can see here that the 3-shot levels are some raised, and in this case it's not recommendable to install special devices into this building. So this is only one app for vibration criteria measurements, but there are many another apps in the Apple Store. And due to the fact that this is a universal DAQ, it's also possible to connect on the second channel, for example, a measurement microphone, IEPE type microphone, or on first channel, or for example, accelerometer for machine for machine vibrations. So something like this. So this is here a heavy guy with 100 millivolt per G, IP67 protected. And yeah, this is for machine monitoring. So you can use here many different accelerometer types and IEPE type of sensors now connected via the Plug.n.DAQ Lite as a universal DAQ to the iPhone system. So thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you good measurements.